about 10 seconds left to cook. It's gonna be some, we're gonna have a casserole and some green beans. Oh man, look at this.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Look at this headlight casserole. Man, look at that.
Oh, Lord.
That is some good stuff right there.
What are we going to eat it with?
Well, this spatula right here. We're gonna eat it with this knife. I gotta put on my eating mittens. Let's just dig right into this thing right here.
Smells heavenly.
Man, yeah. Oh, that's some good stuff right there.
Tell everybody how long we've been doing this.
Y'all, we have been working on these freaking lights all day. Now, I now see why people charge
Horrendous
hundreds,
amounts.
if not thousands of dollars to do this, because it is absolutely a pain. And that is no exaggeration. They're just not fun to do. Just cut a little bit there. Take a little bit out there. Luckily, I haven't melted them, which is what I was really worried about, because it's a very easy thing to do.
Melting the plastic?
The lens or anything on the inside, or
Careful.
just kind of get it going. Just pry her right open.
What was that?
Just nothing. just a little pop.
Just a little pop.
Yep.
Pretty cool, huh?
There you go.
We'll do this one tomorrow. or some other time.
I'm gonna do it tonight.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna have work in.
But we'll put them in tomorrow, right?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
But I will get the light done tonight.
But we put the, we preheated the oven to 260. We were seeing videos that said 270. Was that right?
Yeah, and I'm thinking if we'd have done it for that long, it would have.
Burn it.
It would have been, because they're hot. I mean,
Burnt.
they're really
I
hot.
can feel it from over here.
So, as malleable as that plastic is, it's very. It makes it very usable.
And we put it in there for 4 minutes. But first we did it for 7.
7.
Oh no,
4
we did 4 to put them
Yeah,
together.
4 to
Okay.
put them back together.
Yeah. But we got one done, and it looks better than before.
Yeah, frankly.
Sad to say. Had to do a little repairs.
Did some repairs, fix some things that were done improperly for my standards. And the halos were the problem though.
Yes.
We tested them before I pulled the headlights out of the truck, obviously, to make sure that that was the issue, and it was. So they both work. I think that they were fastened improperly onto the projector bezel, and probably them being in a circuit caused it to break, or it squished it down and ruined the circuit. So, but
we're good now.
yep, we're halfway there. So
Hooray. We'll show you all the finished project tomorrow.
wire them up and she'll have bling bling again.
Yay, yay. Have y'all ever used the Domino's pizza tracker?
That's really what we're having for dinner.
Yeah, this is really what we're having. Not headlights. But, so it tells you who made your pizza, tells you when it's in prep, baking, and now I guess whatever quality check is, that's where our pizza's at now. And then it'll tell you when it leaves. I think that's pretty cool. Tyler, double check your order for perfection at 7:52. Yes, we eat late because we're busy, okay? We're busy. Yay, it's out for delivery. Well, I was gonna take a picture or a video of our awesome looking pizza, And Thomas was hungry. Well, I'm hungry too. But he stole a bite.
The corner piece.
Are the best pizzas. Look at that moth. He thinks he lives here, but he doesn't.
He just coming to see our headlight.
Mariner. Garlic. Yes. Henry, what's wrong with you?
My tummy's upset because I eat grass.
He eats grass. Does any other dogs do that? Henry, tell the people why you eat grass. No, tell them.
Supposedly there was this lady that said that dogs eat grass to make them get sick. Like to make them throw up.
Yeah.
I think he just does it for fun.
I think he does it for fun too.
He's perfectly healthy. There's
Yep,
nothing wrong
there's
with
nothing wrong with him. Henry, why are you facing the other way when I'm trying to talk to you?
it. He don't know.
You don't want to be on the camera? You don't want to be famous?
We're not famous.
Yeah, we are. He keeps turning it around.
Hey. Henry. Hey.
Yes, Dad? This is our kitchen floor.
My workshop.
Yes. out now. Looks better.
Those orange little handle things go.
You got one over here. Need one? Just to wrap up the video, we finally got Thomas finally got them working correctly and they look super good. That's just with the halo light on. Thomas is going to show you with it with the blinker. It kind of starts off not on the same track, but then eventually it goes into it. But yes, so that's with the halo, and then I actually have like the color changing on my phone, the little app. And I can video that. I just have to end the video. I just wanted to show y'all what the lights look like in action. This is actually set on a theme right now. There's all different sorts of themes, and I actually think you can create your own, I believe. But there's also fade and strobe, and then it's, you know, you can also set it on like a specific color that you like if you like pink, which I do, which they'll probably be set on pink majority of the time. But you can do that. I know the lighting's kind of weird. It makes it go through the camera really weird. It's much better in person, obviously. But we just wanted to give a big shout out to the Retrofit Source. They are based in Atlanta, Georgia. Thomas dealt with a nice guy named Jimmy and took care of everything that we needed. Questions, you know, tips, advice, anything. They definitely took care of all of that. Their customer service is top notch. So if you ever need anything for your headlights, they do anything with headlights, obviously, but we do suggest giving them a call and they will get you taken care of. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!